In modern warfare, the deadliest weapon is not always a missile. Sometimes, it's information. High above the battlefield, a massive aircraft quietly scans the ground below. Tracking tanks, convoys, missile launchers, entire enemy movements, long before soldiers even realize they've been seen. This aircraft is the E-8 Joint Stars. The E-8 Joint Stars was not designed like a traditional bomber or fighter. It carried no air-to-air missiles, no dogfighting capability, no stealth design. Yet commanders considered it one of the most valuable aircraft in combat operations. E-8 Joint Stars stands for Joint Surveillance Target Attack Radar System, built on a modified Boeing 707 airframe. War was changing rapidly. Traditional reconnaissance methods were too slow. Battlefields became faster, more chaotic, more unpredictable. The military needed constant surveillance over enemy territory, and that's exactly what Joint Stars delivered. The E-8 could track moving ground targets across enormous distances using advanced side-looking radar systems. The E-8 Joint Stars became legendary during the Gulf War era and later conflicts. It gave military commanders something they had never fully possessed before: persistent battlefield awareness. The aircraft could remain airborne for long-duration surveillance missions while coordinating ground and air operations. So, are Joint Stars still flying today? The answer is complicated. The US Air Force officially retired the E-8 Joint Stars fleet after decades of service. The retirement process accelerated as the military shifted towards space-based systems, drones, and advanced networked surveillance technologies. Why retire such a valuable aircraft? The biggest challenge facing the E-8 was visibility. Unlike stealth aircraft, the Joint Stars was enormous and impossible to hide. The E-8 relied heavily on operating far from enemy air defenses while using long-range radar coverage. But future conflicts may not allow safe distances anymore. Here's the twist. The E-8 Joint Stars did not truly disappear. Its mission evolved. Modern surveillance operations increasingly combine drones, satellites, stealth aircraft, and networked sensors into integrated intelligence systems. The Joint Stars proved something critical. Information dominance wins wars. The aircraft demonstrated how real-time surveillance could shape entire military campaigns. So what made the E-8 Joint Stars truly special? It transformed battlefield intelligence from delayed reports into real-time command awareness. The Joint Stars program heavily influenced future airborne surveillance and network-centric warfare concepts. The aircraft wasn't famous for speed, or stealth, or weapons. Its true power came from seeing the battlefield before others could. The E-8 Joint Stars may no longer dominate the skies, but its legacy remains everywhere. Every drone surveillance feed, every battlefield tracking system, every real-time military intelligence network, all carry pieces of the vision the aircraft helped pioneer. The E-8 Joint Stars proved that controlling information can be more powerful than controlling the skies. And even after retirement, its surveillance legacy continues shaping the future of warfare. If you want more hidden military aviation secrets, advanced surveillance technology documentaries, airborne intelligence systems, and classified combat stories, subscribe now to Supersonic News, because the next video may reveal the secret surveillance systems already watching the battlefields of tomorrow.